Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle. I film new videos every Wednesday. Today I'm actually filming in my living room because today I'm filming an in-depth spring clothing haul. I've been shopping at places like Zara, Target, Shein, Misguided, Fashion Nova, super affordable places, picking up such pretty spring pieces. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys. If you guys are interested in seeing my spring lookbook slash haul, then definitely keep on watching. I had so much fun piecing outfits together, and just lately I've been so into fashion. So if you guys do enjoy videos like this, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload. I am seriously so happy with every single one of you who have subscribed so far. It means so much to me. Every comment that you guys leave means the world to me, so definitely don't forget to do that. I love you guys, and without any more rambling, let's jump into this lookbook. First top I got from Shein. I'm pretty sure this top was under $10, and I love how it has a little half shoulder sleeve. Today I paired this outfit with my Levi wedgie fits. I actually recently picked these up, and I think that these are so perfect for spring. They're high-waisted, and yeah, and then these shoes I got from Target. They're just pretty lime green shoes. I think it's such a fun way to kind of tie in that neon trend without being too much. Now, I don't think I'd wear these together, the neon with the snake print, because I just feel like it's too much going on, but it's kind of cute. But yeah, I just think that this shirt is so cute and classy, and you would never think that it was under $10. Alright, and then the next top that I picked up from Shein was this one right here. I just think that this top is so cute. I love the puff sleeves. I love the color. I love how it's like cropped to the perfect length where like my pants meet it, so like my whole stomach's not out, but it still looks very cute and trendy. I just have this on with my same Levi's wedgie fit jeans. These are actually on sale at Nordstrom. And then these Superga shoes, you can dress this shirt up with maybe some heels, or dress it down with some white sneakers. But I just think that this is such a cute top, and to make things better, it was only like 13 bucks. And then this is another top I got from Shein. It's just such a cute chunky sweater, and I just think this looks so cute tucked into jeans. I probably wouldn't wear them with these white pants just because they're two different kinds of whites. But I just think this is so cute, so casual, and I like how it comes down kind of in the back. I think that this is perfect for spring, especially if you live somewhere where it's still kind of cold, but it's not like freezing, but it's not like super hot out. I think this is a great way where you're like kind of warm, but like enough skin is out to where you're not like too hot. You know what I mean? Super. And then I also got this little puffer jacket from Shein. I'm pretty sure that this was like 20 bucks. It's so cute. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's like really hard to zipper because it's puffed on both sides, so like it gets stuck a lot. I just think that it's so cute. I know the teddy jackets are definitely in right now, paired with like a basic white tee. This one I got from Zara like a couple days ago for like 12 bucks. I love the high neckline on this. However, I despise how see-through it is. Like, it's like legit so see-through. Like if I wasn't wearing a nude bra, you would literally, you can still see every detail. Not my vibe, but make it work. Alright, so moving right along, I got this cute little pullover sweater from Pretty Little Thing, and I have been wearing this so much. I think it looks so cute paired with some jeans. I also wear this with like my Adidas leggings and my Adidas running shoes. I just think it's so cute. I love how it's cropped here and it cinches in because it makes it really cute to, like I said, wear with jeans, because then you can like give it that tucked look. I ended up getting the same exact sweater in gray too, because it just fits so cute. It's so comfortable. And the best part about this sweater is that it's lightweight, so I can wear it when I'm running errands, even if it's a little bit hotter out. And it's thicker, so I don't need to wear a bra with it. TMI. I'm just being real here. This is normally like my running errand sweater, because it looks like you're cute put together, and then you don't need to wear a bra with it. So moving on, this off-pole outfit is also from Pretty Little Thing. I have this cute windbreaker. It's a little bit too cropped for my liking, so normally when I wear it, I'll wear it with like a black tank top underneath. Me personally, I don't like any skin really peeking through. It makes me feel uncomfortable. It makes me feel like I'm trying too hard, and I don't know. It's not my thing. But if you were into that kind of thing, it would look cute. And then these are some like leather joggers. I think these are so cute. Now, to be honest, I probably wouldn't wear this whole outfit out like this. It does look really cute, very Instagram-y, but I really love the way, for one, these pants look paired with like a nice satin girly top. It gives it like the right amount of edge with dainty. I think it looks so cute together. But if you wanted to go for that like super edgy kind of sporty look, this is totally a cute outfit. These pants were $38, and then the jacket, I want to say, was $32. Pretty Little Thing always has sales though, so you could probably get it for like 30% off, 50% off. They always do sales and stuff. But normally, honestly, how I wear this jacket is paired with just some like light wash denim jeans, a black tank top underneath, and then the same exact running shoes. But I thought this outfit would be cute too. Alright, so moving right along, this is probably one of my favorite outfits thus far. I don't know who I think I am or where I think I'm going because I literally don't do anything special. But like, this is a look. So basically, this whole outfit is from Misguided. I got this beautiful satin top. I believe this was like 12 bucks. Just so you guys know, Misguided keeps having like 50 and 60% off sale, so definitely check it out. And I really like how it like really tucks in the waist here. I paired it with these white joggers from Misguided. These were 11 bucks. And then these white shoes from Misguided, I believe these were 30? I believe they were 30, and then they were on sale. So I'm pretty sure I got these for like 16 bucks or something like that. But I just think it's so cute. I love pairing like the more sporty bottoms with like a very girly top, and then balancing it out on the bottom with some very pretty like girly pointed pumps, you know. And then also from Misguided, I got this really pretty coat. I love the color of it. It's a beautiful like light taupey, almost like a blushy nude type of tone. And I'm going up north this week actually, so I just think this will be perfect. It'll keep me warm without being like too heavy, so it's perfect for spring. And then I also love the lighter color because it's more spring appropriate. Again, gonna keep me warm but still be very fresh and spring-like and airy. And I just paired it with the same satin top that I was wearing earlier. And then this time I have them on with my Levi 724 jeans. These I got from Nordstrom on sale. I'm pretty sure they were like $50, and I am obsessed. These are like the jeans I've been wearing non-stop ever since I got them. I just think that they're so flattering, and they're stretchy too. Me, I'm like a girl with, I got a little hips, got a little booty, so they're super comfortable. They're not super tight on. I love the flare at the bottom without being like too wide leg. I just think they look so flattering. They come pretty high up too, which I love. These are so cute and classy, especially with these pumps. Like, this is a look. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm like super into snake print. So I also got this gorgeous cropped satin snake print top from Miss, and I just think that this top is so beautiful. I love how it's cropped here, so you don't have to worry about like tucking it in. It's already cinched in there, so this is like perfect with high-waisted jeans like this. It's cropped to the perfect length, so like not too much stomach is showing. Now it is super tight right here. Like, it's not so tight to the point where I can't breathe, but you can see it's like locked in there. At first I was kind of like irritated because I'm like, I should have just sized up. But at the same time, I like how it's super tight there because it keeps it like there. Like, it's not budging or going anywhere. But I just think that this top looks so classy and beautiful. I'm pretty sure this top was $30, but again, Misguided was having a sale for like 40% off. So I got it for a lot cheaper. And I think right now, today, they are having 50% off. This is such a pretty look. And then the next top I got is this one here, which funny enough, this was actually a pajama set. And the set in total was $30. It came with this top and then matching satin shorts. And then on top of it, it was 50% off. So the shirt was really only $15, and it came with a matching pair of pants. But I've been looking for a white satin shirt like this everywhere. I haven't found it, and then when I looked in the pajama section and saw it, I was like, I need this in my life. I think it's so cute, and I actually love that it has this white detailing around the side, because it means that I can pair it with these white pants and kind of have like a monochromatic type of like cream finish. I probably wouldn't wear it with these stark white shoes because I feel like it loses the balance, like it's stark white and then this cream, but not bad. and I love how it fits. Definitely wear this shirt like tucked in or tie it. I personally like it better tied. I feel like it cinches in the waist a little bit more, but I just think it's so cute. I also picked up this teddy coat from Misguided, which I love because it's not too thick, but it's thick enough to keep you warm. And like I said, since I'm going to be going up north this week, I think this will be perfect since it'll be cold but not like freezing. Oh, and then I paired it with just this basic like ribbed long sleeve top. So as you can see here, it's ribbed. I love the detailing. It is a bodysuit and I like it because it's a thong bodysuit, so you won't see any like panty lines. But I got this in white as well, and then I got another like long sleeve white top with like a silver detailed zipper. Also, I love Misguided for basics because tops like these, I like how they make them. It's like a thicker quality, obviously without being too thick to where it suffocates you, but it just looks very like high quality, if that makes sense. I feel like a lot of times when I get basics from other brands, even sometimes when I get basics from like Zara where you think it'd be better quality, a lot of times they're super thin or cheaply made. This I like, it's not see-through, it's thicker, it looks fitted, it looks like good material. So I definitely love Misguided for basics. They're affordable, but not cheaply made, if that makes sense. All right, so moving on from Misguided to Fashion Nova. From Fashion Nova, I picked up this beautiful green, like emerald satin top. As you guys can tell, I love satin. I just love mixing the texture of like satin because it's so formal, and then mixing it with like some rugged, like ripped jeans like this where you're like dressy but casual. I don't know, I just feel like it gives so much dimension to your look. So I got this top and I paired this with my Levi wedgie fit jeans. These I got on sale on the Levi site directly for I believe $68, and then I paired them with these white Supergas. And then I have it paired with this white cropped denim jacket from Forever 21. This jacket was $32, and I had been looking for a white crop like distressed bottom jacket forever. I was so happy I finally found it because I feel like white denim is so great for spring. And then this is how the top looks on its own. I just have it tucked all the way in just because it looks a little weird without it being tucked in. But I love the cowl neck. I'm obsessed with this color. Like, oh, this color is so pretty. The camera's not even picking up how like beautiful of like a vibrant green it is. And I also think that this outfit would look so cute with the neon shoes that I had earlier that were like the color of my nails. I think it would look so cute. Talk about bright. So I also picked up this beautiful top from Fashion Nova. I love the ruched detailing up here. The top was maybe like $29, and then again, Fashion Nova always has like 40% off, so it came out to be a lot cheaper. Now, I have a bra on with this, but I wouldn't recommend wearing a bra with it just because I feel like the cups don't level out, and it comes with padding already in it. Super cute, but you do want to be careful with it because literally the first time I tried it on, I don't know if you can tell, but like I already ripped it there. So that was super annoying, and it's like still ripping. So it's only a matter of time before I can no longer wear this top. But I think it'll be so cute for like one use. I love the color of it. I love how vibrant and springy it is. And then another thing, I just wish it didn't kind of like come up like that. I wish it went straight across. That way my jeans would cover most of my stomach. Again, I hate having so much of my stomach exposed. I think it's like cute when you're like 15, 16, but like I'm 23, like I'm a wife now. I can't be walking around with my stomach out. It's definitely still cute. All right, so this next outfit I think is so adorable. So this dress I got from Fashion Nova, I think it's so flattering the way it, again, cinches in the waist, puffs out. Now I do feel like that with this, you need some shapewear because I can see my belly button peeking through and that's really bothering me. But beside that, I just think that it's such a flattering fit. Like, so I have it paired with the same white crop jacket that I got from Forever 21. And I think this is a perfect way of making it more casual. Like if you literally wanted to wear this for a brunch or something, or like, I don't know, like an early date. I, again, love mixing the satin, which is such a dressy type of look, with like denim. And then like the mixture of textures, I just think looks so like elevated, like an elevated level of fashion. And then I have it paired with the same white pumps that I wore like this whole video. Again, I don't do anything. I literally sit in my house, I go to work, go to school, and that's it. So I don't know where I'm gonna wear these outfits to, but they are super cute. And this is the dress by itself with nothing on top. so pretty. I just think it's so cute. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching and that you guys found a couple pieces that you might like and want to pick up that will be so affordable. If you guys want to see more videos like this, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. I seriously love and appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!